The Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 is getting error. Your data is corrupt or didn't download properly. You must reset your rank and unlock to continue. Reason Nami-Logan. So guys, what's really going on into the MW2 Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2? So if you click yes, will it be fine? Well guys, although the loadouts, customization and certain settings may be reset. And this error is kind of crazy because it says you must reset your rank and unlock to continue. Like what's really going on? This is a big issue guys. Today in this video we have got all the details, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so is the Call of Duty Modern Warfare service down? Well, there are some outage reports definitely. Some people are facing the outage, can't even play, making it a weird noise. I tried closing the game, but the same issue rebooting the PS5. Now let me show you right over here onto the Twitter what's really going on, what people are talking about it. Alright guys, so here you can see just few minutes ago, Modern Warfare 2 having issue. Players logging into Season 1 may see an incorrect error message stating that their data is corrupt and reset your assured rank to unlock and purchases. Remember guys, your rank, unlocks and purchases are not lost. That's a good sign of relief. Although the loadouts, customization and certain settings may be reset. So that's a really big update guys. You need to take this very seriously. So guys, what's really happening? Why your data is corrupt is you are getting this error or didn't download properly. How you can fix this one? So let's check it out. The Activision support, the Call of Duty and Sledgehammer Games Twitter official page. Alright, so right over here onto the Call of Duty Twitter official page, let's check it out. Do we got any latest update? Well, here you can see 12 minutes ago, bring the heat with the Season 1 Battle Pass. Right up to that, 54 minutes ago, players logging into Season 1 may see an incorrect error message stating that their data is corrupt and reset your assured rank to unlock and purchases. Remember guys, your rank, unlocks and purchases are not lost. That's a good sign of relief. Although the loadouts, customization and certain settings may be reset. So that's a really big update guys. You need to take this very seriously. Now what's really happening? Let's check it out. The Sledgehammer Games Twitter official page. Well, here you can see Season 1 is now live across all the platforms. But you need to remember that certain settings may be reset, also the loadouts and customizations. And yeah, definitely guys, this is the update that is happening not without breaking the game. And here's the thing guys, whether it's good, bad, I mean we are getting the update, but it's resetting your settings and all that. And you can see guys, so whether to hit yes or no, whether to wait until it fixed guys, this is kind of a crazy scenario happening today. Check this out, black cell rewards and being rewarded, already bugs. And check this out, can't even play, making it a weird noise. I tried closing the game, but the same issue rebooting the PS5, still exactly the same issue. So this error is occurring to tons and tons of people guys, and it is not working for a lot of people. So what do you think? Should we press yes or no? Well guys, do let me know what's your opinion. So if you click yes, will it be fine? Well guys, nobody has the answers. They are already said that some loadouts, some reset will happen to your settings and all that. So yeah, now once I get any latest details regarding what's happening, what you should do, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to do that, like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.